I have not filmed content in a long while. Even though I haven't been able to film content, I have been able to do what I finally set out to do. The analytics bug that I found, we killed that bug. That navigation that I was talking about, I was gonna finish. Finished. That reset password link that I said I was gonna finish. I did not actually finish that one. That one was tough. But hey. If this is your first time here, I'd like to say hello. I've been working on trying to build software engineering projects while working on a 9 to 5 at the same time. This stuff is crazy. Documenting that journey and all that. If you're all following this journey, you know that I've been spending the past couple weeks trying to get a Project Lnklist up and running. I have been able to say that there have been people who've signed up to the sites. However, they're not paying for a subscription, which fair. So I guess this has been in a way validated a bit. I am able to get people to know about this project just by making videos, which actually is really good because, as I said last time, this project that I'm working, right, it's geared towards musicians, creators, people who have a lot of content to share and a lot of different platforms where they need to share it, correct? Like for example, if you're a streamer, you've got YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, all of that. If you're a musician, obviously all the streaming platforms, Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, Pandora even. You might even be posting stuff on YouTube as well. People like that are the people that would sign up to this platform, as well as if you're a small business, right? So while my marketing is geared towards literally anybody who has a YouTube account, the product is not necessarily in the same market, right? So the fact that I'm still able to see something is really nice. The next product that I'm going to be working on is actually a long-term goal habit track. Actually, I should probably stop saying that. It is a way to track your progress in the things that you care about, in the context that you care about, right? And make it fun. That's what I'm doing. I'm really excited for this though, because these videos are for everybody and that product is for everyone. Still some things I want to make sure I clean up with Lnklist. If I can get 1 paying subscriber by the end of this month, that would be most definitely a huge win. Past 2 days, I've been grinding a lot on the Lnklist product. Even though last time I told you all that I'll be starting a new project, there's still some things that I want to make sure I can get done for this one. Namely, there's one thing about this app that has been bugging me to high heaven. If you were on my site last week, you would see that if you were checking your analytics, it would take like 3 seconds to load. And that is extremely slow by software engineering standards, right? I have been grinding on fixing that issue. Who knew that it actually matters where all of the data centers are and which ones are talking to each other? I had 2 data centers, right? One of them was for the users that were logging in, and another was for the actual deployment of the app itself. The deployment app was in Washington, D.C. The users database is in California, and it turns out that having 2 data centers on opposite sides of this big-ass country is not a good thing. It slowed down every single request that you would make by 900 milliseconds. And as you know, I mean, maybe you don't know, but the software engineers out here would know 900 milliseconds is enough time for someone to click on the link and wonder why it's not working. It's not good. So hopefully I can reduce latency if I just copy over my users' database to the Washington, D.C. data center. But I mean, bruh, imagine all that work just to shave off 900 milliseconds from your app. Crazy. My thought process was to finish up this whole thing by December, and December is closing out. So let's see what we're able to do. There's many days left, and luckily I'm able to grind. So grind we shall.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so what you tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fly when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us.
You know, honestly, I did not think I was gonna be the type of person to do this type of thing, because I'm not that type of person to do this type of thing. And yet here I am doing this type of thing. Putting a mic on myself, talking to the camera, crazy to me. I'm thinking about this well. The most important thing I need to do is everything that I can do to improve the SEO handling of the site. let's say I'm at Google, right? If I just search up linked list randomly, my site actually does come up, which is nice. But there's just a bunch of different stuff that is software engineering stuff related to linked lists, which makes sense. That's actually what I named this product after. This is all the content that's just like on the site, on the landing page, which is not a very good explanation, right? There should be talking about the set of bio link, there should be talking about bio link stuff, like what the product actually does. What I can do that is either editing what's actually on the landing page, number one, or number two, editing site manifestations and metadata so that it's more explanatory of what the site is. But here's the thing, right? Even the landing page doesn't really say, it just says the aesthetic bio link. It doesn't even say what bio links are. It doesn't talk about anything, right? So I would like to add a section on the site for that. Share all your content at once. You know the drill. Or maybe you don't. I mean, people who are looking for a link in bio know why they're looking for a link in bio solution. I feel like this is a very, very specific product for a very specific need. Anybody looking for this knows exactly what they're looking for, right? So I don't think I really need to explain it. I'm just gonna say one link that, I'll still explain it, but I'll talk about it as if they know, because I should. But then I probably should make an assumption. For being real, I should not be making that assumption. But I'm gonna do it, because I shouldn't. Oh, I'm not UX, man. I'm a developer, I'm a designer, and I'm trying to be more of an entrepreneur. What I am not is a marketer, I am not UX, I am not those people. And I probably should become those things if I really want to do what I'm trying to do, but damn. It's not easy, it's not easy. Who would have thought that the hardest part of this was not going to be the code, it's not going to be the design, it's not going to be algorithms or any type of thing. It's not going to be database storage or cloud computing. It's going to be writing the copy. You know what? Maybe I should render a worldview. Maybe I should render a real-time indicator worldview of my own data on my own site on the thing. Like, that could be kind of cool, no? I mean, I said that I was going to work on SEO. This is not strictly SEO, but it does help with SEO. As we saw on the Google page, it needs more content on your landing page means more data for Google to scrape on your site so that it knows to recommend to people who are searching. Therefore, me adding this analytics thing is more content for it to scrape. So it's worth to spend time on this, right? Right, exactly. Don't look at me that way. Yeah, we'll have to do that. We'll have to add a load function and then load the analytics data through and then store it into the store, and then we should have it available. And good news, we already have the code for this. It's just a matter of copying it, really. So that's perfect. Paste it here. Well, I mean, it is empty, but that is not bad for like 2-second attempts. That is not bad whatsoever. Okay, you know what? It's gonna be a long recording. I'll show y'all what it is like after I'm done with all of this. How about that? So, I shall see y'all later. Someone's trying to hack into my site. They're trying to hack into my site how long ago? 2 hours ago. 2.5 hours ago. I was just looking through my logs right now, and I'm seeing something that's kind of odd, no? Like the spike of errors that have just been coming through. Somebody is looking through all of these different PHP, or someone's requesting the renderer site for all of these different PHP files to try and see if they can, you know, get some information on my site. And the thing is, look, I don't even use PHP for real. So, I mean, tough for them. But the fact that they were trying is crazy. Well, either someone's trying to hack into my site or a bot is just trying to scrape the internet for whatever they can get. Or, I mean, let me know in the comments what you think this could be. Frankly, I got a Node.js runtime, so I'm chilling. Maybe I should go over my progress so far and like what I'm trying to do. All right, here, you can see what's going on here. So now it reads the aesthetic link in bio. I think that makes more sense. Claim your link instead of claim your link list, so that it's just like straight up. All your content, streamline delivery. And you have a demo here. Always have the link to view your demo. Also, don't worry about this one because I'm fixing it, but I'm also highlighting the analytics platform, right? All of this content is going to help a lot with SEO. The only thing I do need to worry about is just making sure that when the preview of the site is coming up on Google, all the information is correct. And I should be good with that. So that is it now. I shall see y'all later. Have fun.
2 hours later.
I finished. The landing page is much better, much more explanatory. Also, I ended up fixing like another thing about the site that I didn't realize was broken, but apparently it was slowing down the entire site because I was closing database connections after every single run through. But like now the site is like 10,000 times faster than it was before. I'm happy. So I'm happy. That's it for Lnklist. That's also it for 2024.
Come on. Where they kicking my blunt with no bragging. If I face me another, I die here. I'm just praying I'll make it till Friday. Either way, I'ma die with my pride. Fell in love with the color and parked out front. Bitch, wait till you see the garage. I done made me a promise, I'll fight that once. Bitch,